So the best thing about 2023 is going to be the recession. One of the biggest things that differentiates regular or ordinary people from the millionaires and the billionaires is what they do during this very special time, which is called the recession. So when the news of recession comes out, you've already lost some percent of your money. So regular or ordinary people will try to leverage as much as they can. So they will immediately start selling off their assets. And as the recession keeps growing, they freak out even more and they keep selling more and more. And by the time the recession bottoms out, they have lost all their investment from the market. On the other hand, if you look at the people who get rich during recessions, the multi-millionaires and the billionaires, they wait for this vital opportunity. It takes years and years, sometimes a whole decade for the recession to finally arrive. And this is the golden opportunity for a lot of people who want to get rich really fast, to invest and keep buying the dip as much as they can. So by the time the market bottoms out, they have lost all their capital buying the dip. And once the market picks up, they are instantly rich. Now, in this video, I'm going to discuss 4 asset classes that you should closely watch out for in 2023. And someone who is looking to get rewarded and maximize their potential in 2023 should take the opportunity the moment you find what you like out of these 4 asset classes. But before we get started with the exciting recessionary opportunities in 2023, in case you are new, my name is Jay, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment and subscribe right now. And a quick disclaimer, this is not investment or financial advice. This is my personal opinion and analysis. So the first asset class that you should closely look for in 2023 is cheap real estate. A lot of people always want to buy their dream home. Big cities are plummeting. The house prices are crashing like crazy. Cities like San Francisco, New York, Texas, the home prices are really going down. So a lot of people who always wanted to buy their dream home but couldn't afford it because of these heavy price drops, this is your golden opportunity. Also, the Canadian market is crashing dramatically. So if you look at cities like Vancouver or Toronto, the home prices are crashing real crazy. A lot of listings, a lot of those ordinary people are panicking and listing their properties on the market. They are fueling the recession. They're further causing their home prices to go down, because of which, again, there's a lot of inventory. There's heavy amount of supply because of the fear of the recession. And home prices are quickly going on sale. So is it the right time to buy real estate, or should you wait a little more? Well, it's all about finding the opportunity. If you feel it's the right opportunity and it is the dream home you wanted to buy, then this is the right time to go for it. If you feel it's not the right opportunity, it's not really that dream home, then probably you can continue waiting and looking for that vital opportunity during 2003. Also, you don't have to restrict yourself to the US and Canadian markets. There are other markets around the world which can easily get you more benefits, which is not only get that cheap real estate, but also they come along with the residency permits and the citizenships or second passports. So if that is something that you're interested in, this is the opportunity to cash in and park your capital in that dream real estate during 2023. The second on my list is bonds and annuities. Now, the reason why bonds become particularly very interesting, or let's say bonds and annuities become very interesting during this phase, is because your bitcoins and your stocks are crashing and crashing and crashing. As the recession starts to kick in, your traditional stock prices start to crash as well. And that is where people look at bonds and annuities. There's a very special benefit attached to both of these asset classes. One of the biggest benefits with bonds is that certain type of bonds can actually get you citizenships. So you're not only securing that fixed interest rate or fixed payment, but you're also securing that all-important citizenship that comes in securing your own capital during the recession. The benefit with annuities is that you're getting regular income, you're securing your regular income, you're not losing your capital, and a lot of annuities can be used to obtain residencies. So there are a lot of attractive residencies, especially in the Latin Americas, that have the option of passive income, and annuities can be a vital instrument that can be structured. Now you got to structure this carefully and correctly. Now, in case you're looking to structure your annuities in order to qualify for a residency, you can always reach us. We can guide you and help you and also get the right professionals to structure your investment correctly. So you can always use the link in the description and you can reach out to us. But the point is, these annuities can be set up systematically. They provide three distinct advantages. They provide a hedge during your recession, they provide you with fixed income, and they can also lead to your all-important residency in the country of your choice. The third asset class is an interesting one and would interest a lot of my viewers, is citizenships on sale. Now, this channel was one of the very first ones to break the discount on the St. Kitts and Nevis citizenship option. So St. Kitts and Nevis, which costed $150K for their citizenship, has slashed their prices by $25,000. So they are on sale. The citizenship is on sale. Now you can purchase this passport for $125K. And if you haven't checked out the related video, you can return and check this link. This talks about the entire option in a lot more detail and if you should be investing in this passport at this time or not. But that's just starting off. You have had several countries that have announced their interest in starting off their citizenship by investment. With the recession kicking in, a lot more countries are going to be pressurized to not only start new citizenship options, hopefully, but the existing countries, especially the Caribbean ones, should follow the lead of St. Kitts and Nevis, do even better. Put their citizenships on discount, make it $75K or even $50K so a lot more people can afford it. I do get some comments saying that if it is too cheap, then third country nationals would qualify and there could be a lot of chaos. But if, as they claim, their due diligence process works fine, then whether it's 50K, 100K, 200K, it should anyways filter out bad actors, whether they're from third country or whether they are from developed nation. It should really not matter as long as the due diligence process is reasonably run well. If you ask for background reports, usually that is taken care of. There are also some other exciting citizenships which I'm going to discuss in a bit here, but these are traditional citizenships, the CBI investment opportunities. A nation like Turkey has slightly gotten it wrong by increasing the real estate investment to $400K. But to be fair with them, there is an election going on and Erdogan wants to please the conservatives. So it makes sense that they're strengthening their requirements and they're increasing the prices. If Erdogan stays in power, then this is something they should closely reconsider. In fact, make the citizenship $200K or even $150K, although with all the bureaucracy that could be slightly hard for him. But in an ideal situation, if that citizenship is changed to $200K, I think it can really support the country even more than ever before. The fourth on my list is crypto coins and nations. Now, crypto coin has been the investment of the last 5 to 10 years. 2023 is an opportunity for a lot of nations to consider blockchain-based and metaverse-based technologies for their citizenship and government formation. Now, you have recently seen what's happened with Tuvalu. Their country is going underwater. So you have recession and then you have these natural calamities that can really cause a catastrophe for your nation. That is where you need to look at blockchain and the metaverse for survival. First step is going digital, which Tuvalu is on the right path. Now, if you haven't checked out my video on what's going on with Tuvalu, you can return and take a look at this link. This talks about the process in detail. Now, the first step is going digital, which they are on the right path. The second step is to start a citizenship based on their digital statehood. There are two more nations which are quite interesting. One is the Afropolitan and second is the Republic of Croatia. The Republic of Croatia is foundationally looking at technologies like the blockchain based and metaverse based e-governance. It's a super new technology. It's an interesting concept. If you haven't checked out the video on Republic of Croatia, you can return and take a look at this link. It talks about the entire process in detail. So these were the 4 asset classes that you should closely monitor. The right time to start looking at this is now, right now. And the moment you find the right opportunity, even if it is slightly expensive, then go for it, because great opportunities are not going to wait till the recession bottoms out. Great opportunities should be captured the moment they are seen, the moment you witness it, the moment you see that something is valuable to your life. It's on a discount. You should not wait for further discounts. If it is, let's say, 15% cheaper, go for it, buy it. By the time the recession bottoms out, maybe that's not available anymore. Someone has already purchased it and making money off of that. So the right time to look for assets is now. The right time to buy is the moment you find the opportunity, the moment you find a reasonable deal. Go for it, buy it. You don't have to wait for the best deal. Even if the deal is half good, it's good enough to go and get invested. One of the most important things that I would be covering on my channel throughout 2023 is tracking these 4 asset classes for opportunities, especially residencies and citizenships. Now, the moment there is a dip in any citizenship, I'll be the first one to cover it. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Also, make sure you have turned on the bell notification so you're notified instantly once my video is created, so you don't miss out on any of the opportunities. And finally, to all my viewers, a big thank you. I think your support has helped this channel grow within no time. We started just a couple of months ago. Instantly, we blew off all the requirements for being a YouTube partner. The channel is gaining tremendous traction. I'm very excited. A big thank you and Happy New Year to all my viewers, all my subscribers. Catch you in the next one.